Yes, in the past we also thought that mercury and sulfur had healing properties, because people believed these elements had magical and astrological qualities. Woo! They also thought 100 years ago there was nothing wrong with smoking tobacco. That also aged well, didn't it? Also, where in the world was it being taught that the Earth was flat 100 years ago? I've seen that number get thrown around an awful lot, but it's not true, is it? Hot take, guys, but hear me out. It's almost as if science isn't set in stone. And it's as if, as we advance as a species technologically and intellectually, we find out new things. And those findings are then taught. Just like the Earth being round, and the Earth not being 6,000 years old, or the centre of the universe, or that if something has enough mass, it pulls you towards it. There's a word for that, but it's right on the tip of my tongue. It begins with G. It's not G-spot. We've also learned other things like, I don't know, spending too much time in the sun causes cancer. Gonorrhea, maybe? I cannot remember for the life of me the name of the force that keeps us stuck to the surface of the Earth. Help me out, guys, in the comments. Or maybe our dear commenter can help me here, because he seems to be a flat earther, and flat earthers love to say that this force doesn't exist, or it's just a theory. If you really want to be nerdy for a few seconds, some of the earliest concepts of the Earth being round go all the way back to ancient Greece. For at least 500 years, all maritime navigation is based on astronomical data, which confirmed the planet is a sphere. We can get into specifics of how round it is another time. This is just for simplicity. Data confirmed it was a sphere and that it moves, obeying physical laws that set the Earth firmly in another sphere, which we now call Newtonian physics. Got another one for you before I disappear. There was, and still is, a commonplace observation that you could do at the seaside, where ships on the horizon almost seem to sink hull first, as they vanish into the distance, with the mast at the top being the last thing that disappears below the horizon. But this is nothing new. I hate to break it to you, son, but 100 years ago, it was 1924, not 2000 BC. I guess mathematics is not your strong suit either.
Is math related to science?
Yes! Yes, it is!